I don't know if you could tell, but that doesn't have any flour in it. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my on-the-go muffin. Okay, so we're gonna get these peanut butter banana muffins going. Bake 350. While that's preheating, we're gonna go ahead and get everything done. I'm gonna use fresher bananas because everybody complains when you pull the black bananas out of the freezer. These work just fine. When the bananas start going bad, throw them in the freezer. You can use them. The reason I use those ones normally is because the sugars have already fully been created. These ones are going to be a little bit tougher to smash as well. I'm going to take off that little, whatever that is at the end. I don't think anybody truly knows what that is. If you do, leave it in the comments down below. Those are some hard bananas. That's why I have this. Because I'm going to start the smashing with this. Otherwise, it's going to be too hard to combine everything. It won't be too hard. It's just going to be a lot more work. And I don't want more work. So, bananas, peanut butter, blueberries. You could just do banana and peanut butter. You just do banana, peanut butter, blueberry. I'm adding chocolate chips. So this is a banana, peanut butter, blueberry, chocolate chip muffin. There's no flour in here. Is it going to work? Yeah, it does. Works just fine. So I'm going to take this peanut butter. About peanut butter in a measuring cup is, it's a pain in the butt to get out. But if you use these amazing chocolate chips, put them in there, just stir them around a little bit. It's going to help you get all that peanut butter, at least most of it, out of the measuring cup. I'm not going to add in the blueberries yet because I want the blueberries to stay whole. Keep mashing those bananas until they're nice and combined with the peanut butter. You know what I didn't grab? Which would have been foolish if I didn't do this. You need 2 eggs. You can crack it here, or you can crack it on the side of the bowl. Just try not to get any shell in it, and if you do, pluck it out. Is this gluten? Yes, this is gluten-free. There is no flour in here. There's no wheat in here. It is just bananas and peanut butter and eggs. And I did add in some chocolate chip. I didn't check to see if these were gluten-free chocolate chips. It's gonna be a little bit runny, just like your favorite muffin batter. Okay, once we got it mixed up and it looks about like this, that's when we're gonna add in our blueberries, and that's 1 cup of blueberries. We're just gonna fold them in because we don't want to destroy them. Okay, once we got them all folded in like that, it's as simple as transferring them over into this muffin tin with these beautiful paper linings. They are a little bit difficult to get out of a metal tin. So we're just gonna try and put some in without me making a mess, which if you've watched this channel before, it doesn't happen very often. Well, see, these don't have any leavener in them. They will rise a little bit. They're not going to overdo the muffin tin. Leave down in the comments what tool would have been better to use other than a fork. I needed the fork to mash stuff and I didn't want to make more of a mess. Spoon. Spoon's better. So we're just going to scrape the last of this up because we don't want to lose any of this. We worked so hard for this. Difficult recipe, right? Okay, I'm going to call those good. See how much time that took? No time at all. We're going to put these in the oven. 350 degrees. Takes roughly 20 minutes to have these fully set. These are super wet. They look funny as they're baking. I'll show you how they look in about 5-10 minutes so that you can see what I mean. Okay, so these muffins, one of these large muffins is a full breakfast. There's 514 calories in one of these muffins if we make 5 of them. You can make them into smaller pieces. Protein is 13, almost 14 grams. The carbs are 34. The fat is 37, good fat. And the fiber is 7.7. So you can eat this in the morning and you're good for the majority of the day. Eat it after a workout, get all those nutrients that you need back in your body. There's a bunch of vitamins, minerals, all sorts of stuff that you need. Let's take a look at them. They've been in for 10 minutes. They do not look impressive. Just wait. Just wait. These don't have any added sugars or fat or salt or anything like that. It is just what's out of those ingredients. If you want to cut back on some of the calories, take the chocolate chips out of it. All in all, this is going to fill you for a long period of time. And it's healthy. Oh yeah. Looking good. Time to pull them out. Let them rest for a minute. Need to get them out of here and get them on a cooling rack. There we go. Those are out. You can see all the natural oils down inside of that. That's all good stuff. That's good for you. Look at that. It's nice. It's spongy. Smells good. Smells like banana bread. Look how beautiful this one looks. Look, there's the chocolate chips on top, blueberries. And look. I just stuck my finger in everybody's muffin. You could serve that to anybody and they would think that there's flour in it. Blueberries meld in good. That chocolate chip, really breakfast on the go. This has got you covered. Everybody, thanks for watching. YouTube picked this video for you. I picked this video for you. That over there, that's the subscription button. Thanks, everybody.